Hello, my honey bunnies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nidhi says hi. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you're doing well. As you guys can see that this is my after makeup look. So this is understandable that आज हम makeup से related video बनाएंगे. So इसलिए welcome to my basic beginners makeup tutorial, which is going to be so helpful for you all if आपको makeup का M भी नहीं आता तो. We just need these 4 products which are super affordable and I bet इससे simple video आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखी होगी. So let's do it together. Starting off with first step, that is concealing my face with one of my favorite go-to concealer, which is from Faces Canada, and it's in the shade 01 Sand Beige, guys. Since it's a liquid formulation, we will shake it well to prevent settling and to increase effectiveness. So we are going to apply it evenly now on all the pigmented areas, dark circles and blemishes on my face. ओके एज आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी फाउंडेशन. थोड़ा कंसीलर मैं नेक पे भी लगाऊंगी बिकॉज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वेन एवर यू डू मेकअप और स्किन केयर फेस एंड नेक बोथ आर लिंक्ड टू ईच अदर. लेट्स स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग इट नाउ. बाय द वे इफ़ आप एक बिगिनर हो और एकदम न्यू है मेकअप आपके लिए, ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद कंसीलर्स फर्स्ट. डोंट गो टू द फाउंडेशन स्ट्रेट अवे क्योंकि कंसीलर थोड़ा लाइट वेट होते हैं फाउंडेशन के कंपेरिजन में. बाय द टाइम आई एम डन अप्लाइंग, लेट मी टेल यू some key features about this concealer, that it gives HD matte finish and looks natural on skin. It's infused with orange extract and vitamin C, leaving your skin fresh and hydrated. Basically skin friendly, guys. और सबसे important है that this concealer doesn't budge for 12 hours. Means you need touch-ups. Means you won't need touch-ups every now and then. So it's just amazing. फाइनली आई एम डन विथ ऑल द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कंसीलर एंड ऑल. नाउ अगर आप एक बिगिनर हो तो यू शुड ऑलवेज गो फॉर ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स बिकॉज दे आर मोर हैंडी एज़ कम्पेयर टू द मेकअप ब्रशेज़. एज ए बिगिनर आपको ना ये ज़्यादा ईजी पड़ेगा एंड अफोर्डेबल भी होता है यू नो एट द सेम टाइम. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू टैप एंड डैब ऑन योर फेस एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस. कितनी आसानी से ब्लेंड हो रही है पूरे मेरी स्किन पे एंड इट विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्किन लाइक टेक्स्चर. यू नो इट्स लाइक अ सी थ्रू स्किन. यू नो यू गोना सी आफ्टर एट द एंड ऑफ दिस रिजल्ट. जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. सो गाइज़ एज इट्स अ लॉन्ग वीडियो तो मैं चाहती थी कि जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट ये एप्लीकेशन आपको दिखाऊँ कि मैं कैसे ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ. एंड इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू बी डन. एंड या एंड थोड़ा नेक भी भूलना नहीं भाई, नेक भी कंप्लीट कर लेना विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेकअप ब्रश. इसमें तो ब्रश ही से करना है तो नॉट अ बिग डील. So I hope that you can spot a little difference already. Now step number 2, fill in your eyebrows straight away. This is my very old brow pencil with brush on its cap, guys. I'm not ready to let go of this yet. So we're gonna fill it in properly and see how edgy my face already looks. And yeah, as you can see, oh perfect. I just love it. Amazing. Now, next comes step number 3. That is, we're gonna make a natural blush with the help of concealer and lipstick. So on the back of your hands, take 2 swatches of concealer like this, and then add 2-3 dots of lipstick in it according to your preference of blush blindness. I'm keeping it very minimal, so I'm taking a very little amount, and then mix. Just look at it, how beautiful color is coming, very natural. I just मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे तो काफ़ी. Now मुझे थोड़ा कम लगा तो मैंने और एक डॉट ले लिया एंड देन आई एम अगेन मिक्सिंग इट अप प्रॉपरली. नाउ आई एम लविंग द कलर. इट्स वेरी नेचुरल nude pinkish sort of shade. Just how pastel colors I love, just in that form only. Now I'm gonna start applying it on my cheeks, on my nose, on my eyelids, giving an eyeshadow natural hue effect sort of, and a little on my chin also, dabbing it properly with fingers to achieve a good color payoff. And this is how it all turn out together. You know, I just love it. I'm just loving it. It's just so beautiful. So the blush binding comes to an end, guys, and it's all done. And now it's time for step number 4. That is lipstick. And let me tell you, this is a transfer proof lipstick from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Top Notch. I'm gonna apply dot like portions on my lips and dab it lightly to keep that minimal natural lip color, because you know later on I'm gonna apply the lip gloss also. So yeah, this is how I'm blending it properly, as you can see, you know. Since I'm not using lip liner, let me create a slight border line with lipstick so that एक plump look मिले मेरे lips को and it looks fuller. Wiping the excess product from hands and fingers so it don't mess up with my makeup, you know, the one that we have done just right now. Though I'm mindful of not touching my face always, but still, you know, guys. Till now I'm loving the look. So far so good. So now it's time to apply some gloss. This one is from Zudio. I just got this for 99 bucks in the shade Juicy Shine. It's like transparent lip gloss only, which you will get from another brands also if you search out for. But with this one, it has tiny sparkles infused in it. And let me show you by applying it a little on my lower lip. And look at that. Oh my god. Just can you see the difference? How lustrous it looks? I just love lip glosses. As soon as I apply it, my confidence breaks the normal bar, So yeah, oh my god, look at that, guys. I just love it. Now let's just take off these clip-ons. And yeah, this is the end of basic beginners makeup tutorial, guys. I think we have ended it. Look how radiant my face appears before versus now. I just love it. I just love how natural and beautiful my face looks. It doesn't look too flushed, at the same time too pale. And now finally the preview that you watched in the beginning of the video, this makeup under sunlight, so sunshine worthy. Oh wow, just so pretty, guys. So yeah, I hope कि आपको मज़ा आएगा इस वीडियो में एंड आपको ये ट्यूटोरियल अच्छा लगा होगा. इफ़ नहीं तो, और अगर इफ़ हाँ, प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं मेरे इनबॉक्स में. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड कम बैक फॉर more upcoming videos because I'm gonna be very regular from now. You can also follow me on my Instagram page, String with Knits. Give me some more ideas if in case you want to. And come back again. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.